Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your one and only man, Bad on the ICT Mystic, and today I just wanna, talk. Um, Today's actually Thursday, I think Thursday, and we have not gotten a setup yet. And we do swing trading now, and yeah, this is what we'll be expecting. Taking weeks to get set up. So yeah. I just bought a 1 million Naira trader account. 1 million Naira trader account, and yeah, this is the account we'll be trading henceforth since we are doing our challenge in a demo account. So now we have an account that we can pass, benefit from our efforts. And yeah, so I just wanted to give you all the updates, what is going on. I recently was called for a job that I did for 3 days, and I was able to save up 20,000 naira. As you know, the accounts on Naira Trader are cheap, so I went for the 1 million, which is 16,000, and I bought that one. And yeah, currently I am experiencing financial difficulties, like really experiencing real financial difficulties. Like I don't have a job, I don't know what to do. But my dad lives here, so if whenever I'm hungry, I think I'm going to him. So that is my only hope currently. Is my only hope of not starving to death. So let's see if we can, trade properly despite going through all these life situations. There have been from many advice all over the internet. You have to, have a job that's bringing income, steady income, for you to be able to trade properly. I'm not like doubting them, but like I was just asking myself, what if there is no way of having a job that consistently pays you? Does this mean trading is never going to work for you? Like, because if that is the case, that means I'm never going to be profitable in trading. I'm never going to be successful in trading because I hardly get a job. Like, even the job that I used to do, it was luck. I think it's luck that I got that job. It was just grace. Like, so, and currently I don't have the job anymore. So, does this mean I'm never going to be successful in this business? So, I believe that there is a part of me that can still be disciplined despite whatever I'm going through. And that is the part of me I choose to believe. And I was also asking if you need to have a job that consistently, gives you money to be able to be profitable in trading. I was just asking myself, what about those who had a lot of money and they blew it all? Like they were comfortable, food, meals, rent wasn't a problem for them, and still they were blowing accounts back to back. What about them? So what is the problem then? So I'm just saying that even in the deepest parts, in your deepest struggles, you can still trade profitably. You can still be profitable. I believe that there is a part of me that believes that it is possible. Now, this might be just illusion, but I want to believe my illusions in this case. I want to believe that I can trade profitably. I can be disciplined when it comes to the trading aspect. I can wait for setups. I can take only setups, only my setups, and when I have missed trades and losses, I can let go. I believe there's a part of me that can do this, and that is the part of me I want to believe henceforth. So yeah, that is the update, and I hope we have a setup today or tomorrow, but I doubt. But let's see how it goes. And please, if you like this kind of real videos, real experience, real human experience, no gatekeepings, no trying to fake anything, please like and subscribe to the channel, because I'm keeping it 100% real with you guys. Love and light, I really love you all. See you guys in the next one.